Messenger RNA has really been a game changer in the COVID-19 pandemic. The messenger RNA lipid nanoparticles are proving to be a very effective vaccine. And of course, now that billions of doses have been produced, it really shows the feasibility of this approach. But even then, even before the COVID-19 pandemic struck, people were already thinking about messenger RNA as an attractive therapeutic strategy, and that was actually how EXPERT began. So EXPERT was founded on the idea that messenger RNA could be a very attractive therapeutic also for major diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular diseases, and that we could really have an impact provided that we could deliver the sensitive messenger RNA payload to the correct cell at the correct time. And for that we used a variety of nanocarriers, including the lipid nanoparticles that are also in the COVID-19 vaccines. We showed that lipid nanoparticles could work and that they could deliver the messenger RNA, but what was striking was that the messenger RNA in the lipid nanoparticles lost all of its activity, and that was a completely opposite to what we thought, and it was a complete surprise, but that's what science is all about, these complete surprises. But it also required some intense rethinking because we needed to adapt our strategy. So that is what we've done over the past period. Well, that also means that the clinical trial that originally was part of the project proposal can no longer be completed within the time frame of the project. But now we will gather the data that makes us ready for the clinical trial at the end of the EXPERT project. So that was one important conclusion, and the second one was that the extracellular vesicles are really intriguing nanocarriers. They are a new kind of nanocarrier and can outcompete the state-of-the-art lipid nanoparticles in some cases. I think there are two important lessons learned. One is how to adapt your lipid nanoparticle in such a way that it can deliver the messenger RNA in the correct way, and we've managed to redesign our lipid nanoparticle, the first of its kind in Europe, that can now be applied and shows already good evidence that it works in preclinical experiments. And next to that, we're also working on a new generation of nanocarriers, for example the extracellular vesicles, and they show that they can sometimes outcompete even the lipid nanoparticles that are currently the state of the art. So that is also opening up many new opportunities. So the next phase of EXPERT is really to delve deeper into the activity and the safety profile of our newly developed messenger RNA lipid nanoparticles. And at the same time, we want to delve deeper into the way, the mechanism of action of the extracellular vesicles, because it's intriguing that they can sometimes outcompete the lipid nanoparticles, but we don't understand why. And well, together I think these results are really contributing to advancing our knowledge, first of all, but also to make an impact on the treatment for cancer and cardiovascular diseases. So overall, I think we are well on track to still make an important contribution to the treatment of cancer and cardiovascular diseases with our messenger RNA nanocarriers.